Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a nativity scene from Bethlehem. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Mary. I draw her head, her eyes, nose, and her smiling mouth. Then I draw her hair like this. And I also draw her outfit. In her hands, she is holding the baby Jesus. I draw her little baby. His head, his eyes are closed. Then I draw the rest of his body. In front of the drawing, I draw the cradle of the baby Jesus with straw inside. Now let's draw Joseph. I draw his head with his big beard. Then I draw his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Continued with his outfit. From the top to the bottom, let's draw his arm. In this hand, he holds his cane. Then I finish his body like this. Now I draw a sheep, both sides of the barn, one here and another one here. Then I draw a cow here too. After this, I draw the barn around it. With the shape of a shooting star in the middle. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color Joseph. I use cream for his skin. Then I use brown for his beard and hair. For his outfit, I use this brown marker. A darker one here. Then I color the skin of Mary with cream and the baby Jesus. I also color his suit brown. For the crib of the baby Jesus on the floor, I use different shades of brown and add a little yellow also. Now I paint the barn dark brown. And also for the stick. And I use this marker for the star in the middle. For the sheep, I use cream for the nose. I also use the same cream marker for the cow's nose. Then I paint its horns gray. Then I use this marker under them for the floor. Finally, I use this dark blue marker for the background. And brown. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.